Hello, my name's Matt Cameron, and I'm going to talk through how to create a post on masonsConnect. It's not hard, and it really is pretty easy. And if you've got any questions, always please reach out to hello@masonsconnect.com because we're here to help, and that's really what it's all about, helping all of us together to do this and make it easy. Anyway, to create a post. Now, you go. The first step is, before you even do this, is you create an account and become a member, subscribe. And once you've subscribed, request that you'd like to become a contributor to hello, once again, the same email, hello@masonsconnect.com, and we'll set you up as a contributor. Now, what's great about being a contributor is you can't publish stuff accidentally. We'll have a look at what you do and make sure it's right. So how to post something, pretty easy. So when you've logged into the website, you've followed the instructions you've got when you became a contributor, and you filled out the form and put your password in and all that sort of stuff, like your email address, you'll see this screen here. And this is just the default screen you'll see in the CMS that we're using for masonsConnect, which is Ghost. And to add a post, simply go into Post, and you'll see that you've got no content. That's what you'll see initially. And what we want to do is just write a new post. So I've clicked on the Write a New Post button. I'm going to give the post a title. I'm going to call it Test. Isn't that a great name? Test. And I'm going to give it a body to it. And let's call that Test Hello World. And let's be really exciting with this and just go hello world. You type that in, hello world. And this is a test. Now, obviously, we're not going to post that. That just gives you an idea about pretty much how simple it is to create a post. You might have noticed that we're in draft mode at the moment. It says it over here, and as we go along, it'll just say that we're saving. To change some of the details about this that you might want to for creating posts about events or some other stuff, which we'll talk about a little bit more, and we'll refer to in an article that we've got, a how-to post, which has got a lot more details. There's the post URL, so the URL is what its name is. It's picked it up from the title, and it said hello world. That's the publish date. Most of the time you won't change that, although if you're doing an online event, we might suggest that you post it at a certain date, just so that we can get the sequence right. The excerpt is what goes into the post just before it goes in, and that's what just generally describes it. And that's pretty much about it. There's a delete button that is hidden way down there that you can't see at the moment, and that's probably not needing to worry too much about that, but that's what you could use to delete it with. As mentioned, the post is saved as we go along. Now, I just want to show you a trick, because you might be publishing stuff on Facebook or on other platforms. I'm just going to go to a page on Richmond Lodge, and I'm just going to copy the URL, and just to show you how easy it is, just to sort of plug stuff in. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel here on masonsConnect. We're just trying to create a platform where we help each other share stuff and make it easy, and make it easy for us to all be contributing together to make it easy for that sharing thing to go on. So I've just copied a URL. Now you can see that there's that plus sign. That means that we're at the beginning of the line. If I paste the URL in, and I've just posted a URL in from Richmond Lodge, which is about an event which we've actually got on the 30th of June, and where we're talking about stress management, it's picked up the metadata and all the stuff about it, and actually all just created a link for that. Now we can preview what's here, so I'll go up into what I did there is I went to the side, I went to the cog, which is the settings, and I went to preview. And you can't see that on this URL at the moment, but I'll just move that across so that you can see that. And that's how this post would look if it was published. Now, as mentioned, hello world, Richmond Lodge, that's who I've logged in as, and this is a test. That's the detail. And as mentioned, you can't really go wrong because you're working as a contributor, and we need to, until you've got used to using the platform, we'll just check everything that you're doing to make sure it's okay. So when you finish doing the post up, email, once again, hello@masonsconnect.com.au, no, AU, sorry. hello@masonsconnect.com. That's it. And let us know that it's ready to go, and we'll do a check on it. Now, for more information, go to Masons Connect and have a look at the front, and you'll find a page with a very, very busy bee on it. And that bee is just telling us about how to do what we've just talked about. It really just steps out. Become a contributor, and then it talks about adding content, first steps, log in, create the post, and just work through that process. You can create all content essentially as a blog or an article. And as mentioned, there's just some special instructions around the publish date and also some tags, which are in the settings side there, which we recommend you setting those just so that we can get the sequence of things correct on the front page for public events. If it's a private event for now, just send it through to hello@masonsconnect.com and we'll put that up. Thanks for following along. As mentioned, my name's Matt Cameron, really just here to help. There's a number of other people on the team. What we plan to do is just get these emails published each week, answering questions about how to do stuff and how to make it easy to share Freemasonry. Thanks for following along, guys, and talk soon.